everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making tomato shrimp stir fry. Without further ado, let's get started. First, grab a bright red tomato and chop it into chunks, just like little red lanterns, so tempting. Then, dice 20 grams of green bell pepper to add a pop of fresh green. Next, take 100 grams of shrimp, slice them down the back, and remove the veins, like giving them a little spa treatment, making them cleaner and tastier. Now, mince 10 grams of ginger, chop 10 grams of garlic, and finely slice 10 grams of green onions. These aromatics are the key to making this dish irresistible. Now, let's heat up the pan and add 15 milliliters of oil. Once the oil's hot, toss in the garlic and ginger and saute for a few seconds. This wakes up their fragrant oils and fills the kitchen with amazing smells. Then, add in the shrimp and stir fry until they turn pink. Watch them transform into juicy, tender bites. Now, add in the tomato and green pepper, stir it all together for a moment. Let these ingredients mingle and get to know each other, just like a fun party. Next, sprinkle in 3 grams of salt and a pinch of sugar, stirring to coat everything evenly in flavor. Pour in a little bit of water, cover, and let it simmer for a few minutes. This gives the dish a chance to rest and absorb all those delicious flavors. Finally, sprinkle some chopped green onions on top. Look how beautiful and appetizing it looks. And there you go. Your delicious shrimp and tomato stir-fry is ready to enjoy. Friends, you must try our tomato shrimp stir-fry. If you liked this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.